stock. This is 10,000 pieces stocks are available on this. Look at the beautiful color and design. What is this variety? So this is pure poly rayon fabric cotton kurti at only 120 rupees. Look at the sizes. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So today I have presenting you, this is the very cheapest and selling variety. Look at this variety. This is 10,000 piece mass stock. If you also want to purchase in bulk this kind of variety, this is 120 rupees kurti available in, as you can see, there are 180 design in this variety are available. More than 500 pieces a different variety are available. Look at this stock. This is 10,000 pieces stocks are available on this. Look at the beautiful color and design. What is this variety? So this is pure poly rayon fabric cotton kurti at only 120 rupees. Look at the sizes. XL and double XL sizes are available. Look at the beautiful print. Look at this design available in multiple color combos and patterns. Look at this. I am showing you, this is bandhani print, and look at this. This is floral print. I am opening one piece. Look at the beautifulness of this kind of print. Look at this, how beautiful it look when you sell this kind of variety in your counter. This is the top trending sell variety. Look at this. This is the whole sell variety. Look at the sizes and the designs available in multiple colors. Look at the color. As you can see, there are different colors and designs are available on this variety, and the rate is only 120 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right, my friend. The rate is only 120 rupees. This kind of multicolor bundle are available. Minimum order is 10,000. If you also want to start your business, then sell this kind of mass selling variety, which will be easily sell in 200 to 300 rupees in your counter. Look at this mass selling variety. DK Textile has always biggest manufacturing kurti. That's why we mass product this kind of variety, because this kind of varieties are the top trending variety right now in DK Textile. That's why we produce this kind of huge quantity in this kind of variety. Look at this. This is bandhani print, and I have already shown you the floral prints. Look at these beautiful floral prints also. Look at the designs and color, my friend. Look at these beautiful kurtis. And if you also want to sell this kind of variety, then these are the sizes and designs available. For the catalog of this variety, connect with our number. Number is given on the description. You can sell this variety at more than double margin, my friend. This is only 120 rupees with color and fabric guarantee. Yes, 150% color and fabric guarantee are available on this product. If you sell this product, then you will earn a double margin. So start your business with a minimum investment of 10,000 rupees, because our minimum order is 10,000 rupees. We deal in only bulk. Then connect with DK Textile and join with this kind of huge selling variety. We have products starting from rupees 90 only. So connect with our team, connect with our salesman. Our shop is located in Surat. If you are watching from outside of India, then whole over world is delivery of this kind of variety are available. And also, my friend, if you are in India, then COD facility is available for this variety. Connect with our team, connect with DK Textile and get a huge benefit on this variety. See you in another video. Till then, enjoy this kind of large amount of quantity selling varieties.